Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to track caffeine intake in Apple Health. So, if you just want to log a cup of coffee without installing extra applications, let's open Health application and tap Browse tab in the bottom right corner of your screen like this. Now let's go to Nutrition, and here let's select Caffeine. In the top right corner, tap this plus icon, and you can enter the amount in milligrams. And then when you're done, tap this check mark in the top right to save this to your chart. It will appear right here. And as you enter new information over day to day, you will see statistics in this chart. So that's how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.